তুমি যদি এইভাবে চর্চা করো তাহলে তুমি কি সহজে ইংরেজি ভাষা শিখতে পারবে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, mister?
I am fine.
What's your present job?
I am a student.
What class do you study in?
I am studying in class 9.
What's the name of your school?
The name of my school is Mirpur Madhyamik Dakhil Madrasa.
Who is your favorite primary school teacher?
My favorite teacher is Abdul Jabbar.
Who is your favorite Madhyamik school teacher?
My favorite teacher is PPS Nuruddin.
Do you like to graduate?
Yes,
What's your future plan? Do you want to go immigrant or abroad?
I want to go abroad for study purpose.
You would like to go abroad for study purpose. Your ambition is go to abroad. It's your clear goal. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Would you like to go immigrant? You know that you have to must learn English.
Yes,
Yes. Without English, you can't permission to go to abroad for higher study for a study purpose. Am I right?
yes, you are right.
Do you want to learn speaking English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
Do you know what have to do to learn speaking English? English শিখতে কি করতে হবে তুমি কি জানো?
I don't know clearly.
So you have to practice all the time. When you will get time, when you will be free, that time you will have to work for your learning speaking English. Okay?
Okay.
So when you learn a sentence, so you try to make the others and you try to say, you will try to practice the others way like what are you doing? If anyone tell you what are you doing, যদি কেউ তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করে what are you doing, the right time you have to say what we are doing now. We are sitting here. So you have to say we are sitting. I'm sitting. What are you doing?
I am sitting now.
You have to practice like this way. আমাদের এভাবে চর্চা করতে হবে. If I ask you what are you doing, so the answer will be I'm eating.
I am eating.
যদি তুমি কোনো কিছু খাও তখন সময় কেউ যদি জিজ্ঞেস করে তুমি কি করতেছো তখন তুমি কিভাবে বলবা?
I am
Eating.
eating.
I'm eating. So when you will go to market, if that time anyone asks you what are you doing, যদি তুমি মার্কেটে যাও আর কেউ জিজ্ঞেস করে কোথায় যাচ্ছ, that time you have to say I'm going to market.
I am going to market.
So the one sentence, what are you doing? প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে তুমি কি করতেছো, উত্তর দিবা তুমি যা করতেছো তাই। যদি আর্ট হয় বলবা I'm walking, যদি বসে থাকো I'm sitting, যদি মুভি দেখো I'm watching movie, যদি কারোর সাথে কথা বলো বলবা I'm gossiping with my friends.
I am gossiping with my friend.
So তুমি যদি এইভাবে চর্চা করো তাহলে তুমি কি সহজে ইংরেজি ভাষা শিখতে
শিখতে
পারবে।
পারবো।
Do you understand to me?
Yes, I am understand.